What's up everyone, and thank you for stopping by Tasha's merch review. Today I will be reviewing the Bass Jacks Meter True Wireless Earbuds with portable charging case. I picked this up at Five Below for only $5, and I am really curious as to how well it's made and how good the sound quality is. I know it's not going to be as good as my Samsung Galaxy Buds, but I needed something to review, and these were only $5. So before I get into the review, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Also hit that bell so you'll know each and every time a new merch review drops. So let's get into the video. Okay, so let's take a look at these $5 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, the front of the box, you have the logo, Bluetooth meter, True Wireless Earbuds, picture of what the earbuds in the charging case looks like, playtime, 10 hours, Bluetooth 5.1, and Bluetooth range, 32.8 feet. And there's also an LED display that shows the battery level. Turning it to the side, just the logo and the name of the earbuds. Turning it to the back, same information, high quality sound, but we will see exactly how quality it really is. Built-in microphone, comfort fit, and built-in battery, 3.7 volt. It works with iPhone, Android smartphone, iPad tablets, and iPod MP3 player. Okay. And on the other side, same information. Okay. So I'm going to come back and we're going to take these earbuds out the box. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. You get the instruction manual, very simple, one page, front and back, nothing fancy. You get the charging cable, and you get the charging case and the earbuds. So let's look at the charging case. So charging case, all white. This is where you put the charging cable in. Open it up. And this is the LED display that shows the battery level. And these two here is where you would stick the earbuds down to charge them. So very easy to open, flimsy, I would say. The materials of this charging case is very inexpensive. Like, I feel like if I were to drop this, it would crack. That's how cheap it feels. But like I said, $5, so I get what I get. So that's the charging case. Okay, now on to the earbuds. So these are the earbuds. They're all white, matching the case. And these two also feels like cheap plastic. They don't have a weight to it like my Galaxy Buds do. They do have clickable buttons. So I guess you can control the music and answer and end calls with these. Unfortunately, they did not come with extra ear tips. So you would have to, if you have some extra ones laying around, and if these don't fit in the ear, you would have to use those. Okay, so let's see how this charging case works. We're going to take this hole and make sure it's put down into this little thing here. So, and it's also labeled right and left. So there you go. All right, now to turn it on, you're going to press this button here. Okay, there we go. So when you press that button, it lets you know with the LED display that you have 100% of battery and that the earbuds are charging when they're red. So close it. Now it's not like my Samsung where when you close it there's a light here on this part and let you know that it's charging, but you can see at the top it shows you that it's charging. So just different than the Samsung. Now this I would say is for anyone who is a beginner. So yeah, so that's how they look. Jeez, battery going down already, and I just had them in there for like 5 seconds. We went from 100 to 97. Interesting. So yeah, so let me connect these to the phone, and then we can see how the sound quality is. Alright you guys, I had so much trouble trying to connect these to my phone. You're supposed to press both of these at the same time and then it's supposed to connect. But when I do that, one of them connects and then the other one stay blinking blue and red. So I start all over again, and then the other one would connect and the other one would stay blinking blue and red. So I tried that about 4 times and then finally it connected. But only one ear connected, which means I could only hear the music I was playing out of one ear. So the music I was hearing from that one earbud didn't sound too bad. Like I said, this is the bass jacks. So it did have a little bass to it. It was decent sound quality. Nothing too mind blown. It definitely didn't sound as good as my Galaxy Buds, but it was okay. Also, after I did get to hear from the one ear, but I tried to reconnect again so I can hear from both ears, and I just didn't have any luck. So there it is. I don't know if it's me. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I did read the instructions, but you know, $5. And I keep saying that, but that's just what you get when you pay $5 for some earbuds. Also, look how low the battery is down to now on the charging case. We're down to 85. At the beginning of the video, we started at 100. And now we're down to 85. And as you can see, the right bud is not even charging. Let me see. Maybe I don't have it. Oh, there we go. Maybe I don't have it pushed down all the way. And it won't even stay charged. So this one is something that I wouldn't recommend getting, if you're looking for earbuds for yourself that you think may be worth it for $5. I mean, I wouldn't recommend these to anyone. Unless you're a little kid and you just want some earbuds and you ask your parents for earbuds. But yeah, so I got these at Five Below for $5. And I did put them in my ear and they don't feel too bad. Like they didn't fall out. They didn't feel too big. So that's a plus. So yeah, this has been my review of the Bass Jacks Meter True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for stopping by. And I'll see you on the next merch review.